Happy New Year! I'm Matt from Ellis Winters Estate Agents, bringing you an update on the Cambridgeshire housing market. The question I've been asked most recently, and over the last few days, are there any more properties coming to the market? And the early signs suggest yes. We are recording this video on the 7th of January. We have already seen 21 new properties listed in the areas we cover in St Ives, Chatteris and March. Rightmove has reported that sellers' numbers are up 21% compared to the Boxing Day the year before, which is great news for buyers. As you can see from this report, supplied by Rightmove, we are delighted to say that almost 40% of these new properties are being advertised with Ellis Winters. And we have a similar amount of homes in preparation and having photos taken now Christmas decorations are down and getting ready to come to market. Buyer demand is still incredibly high, with many missing out on purchases last year. Our Property Premier group on Facebook has reached an all-time high of nearly 950 motivated buyers taking advantage of sneak peeks of new properties coming to the market. If you're serious about moving, I'd highly recommend speaking to our experienced team about your search requirements, as well as joining the Property Premier group. We'll put a link in the description. It's too early to say with any confidence where house prices will be heading this year. However, consensus from lenders suggests that a 5% increase is highly likely. To put that into context, that's a £10,000 increase on a £200,000 property, a rise of £25,000 on a £500,000 home, and for those of you lucky enough to be looking up to £1 million, that's a £50,000 increase on the cost of purchasing the same home. Starting your move now could save you thousands of pounds if you beat the price rise. The first step, if you have a property to sell, is to arrange a valuation of your home. At Ellis Winters, we offer a free property valuation with no obligation or hard sell. Contact your local Ellis Winters branch to arrange an appointment today. Thank you for watching.